2019 ugengesi mgidlana obeka ngunobhala wepalamende waqothwa. Kwathi ngemva kwalokho uBaby Chawa obeka lisekela lakhe waje aphethe isikhundla leso. Ngaphambi kobana akhambe uSpeaker walokho wepalamende uThandi Mndise wathi sekatholakele unkhetheni olungele umsebenzi. Kodwa nabekube nje bengakabi ukutholakala ozokuvala isikhala lesi safuthi.
Parliament first had to conclude the disciplinary process of the former Secretary to Parliament before initiating the process of filling the vacancy. Due diligence and thoroughness in this regard had to be done due to the strategic and critical nature of the post. It is inevitable that this combination of factors, which cannot be sidestepped, will affect the turnaround time.
Inhlangano zepolitiki zithi ubujamo obunjengalobu behlisa isithunzi sevikeleko nokuhlayela kwehlogomelo.
I think it's outrageous that we've been sitting all this time. Mr. Gengesi Mgidlana has been gone for almost 2 years. And a large part of the problems that Parliament is now facing is a result of the fact that you don't have leadership in the organisation. Parliament should have had a secretary in place the minute Mr. Mgidlana left.
Not having a permanent secretary certainly impacts on the functioning of Parliament. And we just hope in the same manner that the President of the country has just announced Acting Chief Justice Zondo to be the Chief Justice of the country, a decisive move that the Speaker of Parliament would also make an announcement sooner rather than later.
Inyoni inehawu enamalunga wensebenzi zepalamende ayikathabi ngokuriyada kokukhethwa konobhala wasafuthi. Ekubeni ihlelo lokuhlungwa kwabonkhethani selinomnyaka lenziwa.
We call upon the presiding officers to ensure that this position is filled as a matter of urgency. And our preference is the preference of the panel. The panel recommended Mr. Tolle George as the best candidate. And we supported the recommendations because we are part of the process. Mr. George performed better than the rest. And if you look at his track record, what he has done in Salga, we believe that if Parliament appoint him, they will have appointed the best candidate.
Esinye godi isikhala esingakavalwa ngesesikhulu sevikeleko lepalamende esasala sivulekile ngemva kokuhamba kwakwaZelda Holtzman ngo-2017.